Welcome back, guys, to another video in my YouTube video tutorial series. In this video, I'll be showing you how to insert windows in a floor plan. This can be done using one of two methods. You can use Tool Palette or you can use Design Center. I think Tool Palette offers more flexibility and is a little bit more user-friendly. To activate Tool Palette, type TP, enter. Then click on Architecture. Then go up to Window Metric. Well, before that, we need to switch to our window layer. And click and drag, drop into the drawing. One. I want about 3 windows. 2. About 3. That should be good. Then I'm going to close off that. My next step is to modify this or adjust this to fit the wall. So I click here. Once you click onto the window, that's 100. I need to change that to 150. 150, enter. The length can also be adjusted. This is at 900. I want this to be 1200. So I type 1200, enter. That has been adjusted. I will want one for the bathroom as well. One for the bathroom. I'll let that one be 600. Of course, I need to adjust the thickness, the wall thickness. This is 150. So I left click on the up arrow, enter 150, enter. Then click onto this one, change that to 600, enter. So this is a bathroom window. Now I'm going to duplicate this CO. Click there, click there. What I'm doing now, I'm creating one for the vertical walls. So I'm going to rotate this, rotate RO. It's a base point. Turn on my orthogonal mode and get this just like that. What I like to do, I like to place a rectangle around these. So I go REC for rectangle, enter. Left click here, go down, left click here. Space bar to reactivate, left click here, left click there. What that does, that gives me a handle on the perimeter of the wall. In that case, I can choose a base point accordingly. Space bar to reactivate, left click here, left click there, enter. Now, based on this drawing, we have a window here. This one is double, a vertical window here. We have 2 small windows here at the front as well. So I'm going across here, copy, CO for copy, enter. Choose a base point. I'm gonna choose here as my base point. And I'm gonna deactivate the orthogonal mode. This offers me a great deal of flexibility. Then I'm gonna click this onto this midpoint there. That is done. The living room, I think it has a window here as well. Let me check to ensure. Yeah. And the bedroom as well has the same size window. drop one here as well. So those are the vertical. I think we have one here as well. One someplace here. One someplace here. Yeah, a window right there. I think the one up here is the triple. I think this is the triple window. So I'll need to add one more to that. But you get the drift. Escape. Now I need one for the bathroom. The bathroom window is a bit smaller. It's 600. I think this is it. Let me check to ensure that this has been adjusted. 150, good. I'm gonna rotate this, RO, rotate, RO, enter. Click here as the base point. Click onto the orthogonal mode. And of course, I want a rectangle around this. REC rectangle, enter. Click here. Come down here, left click, enter. Escape. Now I'm gonna move this in place. CO, copy. I'm gonna choose here as the base point. Here as the base point. Deactivate orthogonal mode by left clicking here. This gives me some flexibility. Left click there. Now we need a window here as well. We need a window here. So we have a horizontal window here. CO for copy, enter. For this I'm choosing here as a base point. And I'm dropping this right here. Escape. And now we have two small windows here. We have a small window here, one small window there. But I'm gonna leave out those for now, in the essence of time. So that is basically how we insert windows into a drawing. All right. And remember, I'm using the standard AutoCAD method here. With AutoCAD architecture, I simply going tools, go on Windows, choose the window size, and I snap onto the wall, and it automatically fits into place. But the reality is, a large number of persons are not using AutoCAD architecture. So I choose to make some videos using standard AutoCAD, right? Remember, guys, if you like these videos, like and subscribe. And check out the other videos in the series, because this is a complete set of drawing. From the outline to the wall, how to insert text, how to insert dimensions, how to insert doors. This one focuses on window. So for persons who are doing the SBA, I recommend that you follow these series of videos. And of course, the link to the videos are in the description. So please check it out. Again, you don't have to good to start, but you must start for it to be good. Peace out.